Gde si bre? Sortu jebem. Gde si bre? Jebem ti sortu jebem. Pokvarno. Sortu. Pičku materinu. Gde si bre? Gde si bre? Sortu ti jebem. Gde si bre? Jebem ti sortu. Gde si bre? Jebem ti sortu ti. Sortu. Pokvaremo. O.
Них. Is that it? Них?
Меня зовут Эдвард.
Hey. All right, let's try that again. Perfect.
Sranje. Sranje.
Is that word means shit?
Говно.
Marija Šerifrić. Marija Šerifrić. Marija Šerifrić. Marija Šerifrić. Marija Šerifrić. Šerifović. Marija Šerifović. This guy who likes Will Smith. I like Will Smith. Ljudi su tamo malo usporeni i buskasti. Gde si ti čerapani, mamice te jebem? Gde ste čarapani, mamicu ti jebem. Mamicu vam jebem. Mamicu vam jebem. Gde ste čarapani, mamicu vam jebem. Mamicu vam jebem. Mamicu vam jebem. Jebem? Jebem. Pičku mater. Puh.
I don't know, I just keep getting these fucking emails from people saying they're gonna kill me. You know? No. But I wanted to get your attention. No, they just send me emails being like, stop saying that you know, that it's only Serbian people and Serbian this and Serbian that. And I was just like, yeah, I guess you're right. Because we are trying to be more broader, like Bosnian, Macedonian, you know, anybody that speaks the Serbo-Croatian language. Ultimately, the message I'd like to get across, and this is ultimately, that Serbo-Croatian, Serbian and Croatian, really this is the same fucking people, aren't we? There's really no difference at all. We're told that we're different, and they fought a whole war to make ourselves feel all different, but really, it's kind of like the Jews and the Muslims. They're the same fucking people.
Pava, it's hard to... Jebem ti u tu glavu, smrdljivko jedan. Jebem ti u glavu, ko sjarnu... Jebem ti u tu glavu, ko sijarneru. Ko sijaneru. Ko sijaneru. Ko sijaneru. Ko sijaneru. Ko sijaneru. Ko sijaneru jednu. Ko sijarneru jednu. Serbian Adrian Brody.
Alo, Jace! Poštovo Boston! Alo, Jace! Alo, Joce! Poštovo Boston! Jakse! Alo, Jakse! Poštovo Boston! Aj, jebem ti, majku. Alo, Jace! Poštovo Boston! Bostan! Alo, Jace! Poštovo Boston!
A lot of yelling. A lot of yelling.
The louder you are, you'll be taken more seriously. I said that before and whatever.
Pičku materinu. Zdravo.
Pa to ti pričam, jebi ga.
Fucking piece of shit.